What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And I will have another video tonight, so make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So Bank of America stock is a very hot dividend stock right now. I'm going to explain to you why I buy them and I'm long in them. Of course, I'm not giving financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description. But this is one of the best dividend stocks out there, especially in the financial sector. And I've been buying them in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. So let's check this stock out right now. So looking at Bank of America, in the past 5 years, it has not done well against the S&P, which is very attractive as a dividend investor. Its dividend yield is 3.24%, has a PE ratio of 8.52. The average volume is 67.05 million. The market cap is 217.10 billion US dollars. View range is 26.32 to 44.39. Day range is 26.32 to 27.29. And its previous close was 26.97. So since the pandemic hit, these guys have been way down. I've been buying these guys and loading up on them, as well as Regions Financial, KeyCorp, and many other bank stocks. By the way, I just received some very nice dividends at Jackson Financial. So later tonight, I'm going to go over a few hot bank dividend stocks out there. There's some of them that I've went over, and there's some other ones that are pretty hot right now. So let's check out these guys as a company. So there's a few things with Bank of America. There are thousands of Bank of America ATMs nationwide. I'm on bankrate.com, all of which are audio equipped to better serve visually impaired customers. ATMs can be used for certain purposes: withdraw cash, check your account balances, or deposit cash or checks, initiate cross-account transfers, remit credit card payments, or using a check or cash. Remember, anytime you swipe your credit card, these guys make money. So there's a certain transaction fee at certain stores that they charge them. So that's one thing. This is how these guys make money. Obviously, taking loans out is huge as well. So here's some information. Bank of America is an industry leader in the financial sector that prides itself on providing flexible banking, investing, risk management, and financial services to its customers. It currently serves approximately 67 million customers and small business clients worldwide. So right here, 67 million customers and small businesses worldwide. That's what sets these guys above compared to other financial sector dividend stocks and certain bank stocks. So what I like about investing in bank stocks, the bigger the better. Here's another thing. If you become a customer, you also have access to a host of conveniently located branches and ATMs. To date, there are around 4,000 financial centers and 16,000 ATMs. Account holders can also manage their accounts via award-winning digital banking app. So here's some customer service information and bank hours. So just going over that, okay, here's some locations of Bank of America just in my area. That's just here. So, and then if I scroll, I mean, it's just doing my location. Look at how many locations. If I click this and did a larger section, how much would be in Ohio? There's so many locations. This is just Ohio. So I'm going to go over the revenue and dividend history. I just wanted to be very brief, but literally, I mean, they're very transparent about how many locations they have. And don't forget, sometimes people need to cash out some money, even though people usually use credit cards nowadays. But if you need to cash out money, sometimes you have to go to your local ATM, and it's not your one that you normally go to, and they charge you a few extra dollars, like $3 to $5 for a transaction fee. Now, let's check out the revenue and dividend history. The revenue-wise, these guys have done very well, and they're very strong in the financial sector. So this is in millions US dollars. 2016, 93, 2017, 99, 2018, 109, 2019, 113, 2020 can blame the pandemic, 93,753, 2021 slowly rebounding at 93,851, then 2022, 115,053. So there's a huge increase in revenue from 2016 to 2022. So usually when there's an increase in revenue, the board of directors feel very confident in hiking the dividend. Let's check these guys out. So looking at their dividend history on Zacks.com, 2016 was 5 cents to 8 cents. 2017 it jumped to 12 cents. 2018 it jumped to 15 cents. 2019 it jumped to 18 cents. It's been a little stagnant, and then all of a sudden here's a dividend hike in 2021 to 21 cents. Then 2022 is 22 cents. So the payout ratio is 28%, which is very attractive. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 4. Dividend growth in 5 years is 12.10%, which is very attractive. So if you bought one share, you made 88 cents with a 3.24% dividend yield. So I own Bank of America. I'm long in these guys. I have in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, I'm pretty sure I'm buying that tomorrow in my fractional share dividend portfolio. And I'm going to continue to buy these guys. So I just wanted to do a very brief video on these guys since the financial sector has been hit hard. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bells, not miss future videos. As you know, I have a disclaimer in the description, and this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. I'm going to try to have a video later tonight for you, and I will have a video later tonight for you on some hot real estate investment trusts that I've been buying. So you guys take care and have a good one.